Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So we move on to the next chapter in our curriculum, which is called the compound ism. This is when a part of a sentence functions like an ordinary ism. So there's two tools for making compound isms. The first is using the word an. If you remember, this is one of those words that makes the present tense present tense fi'l into the light version or the light form, and it means to or that. It can even mean lest as well. And the second word is anna, and if you remember, it's a harf of nasab, and it makes its ism into the nasab status, and it means that. So the first, if we start with an, this transforms a verb sentence into an ism. So it usually comes with a present tense, even when we're speaking about the past. So an example here, we have an tasumu khayrun lakum, which means that you all fast is better for you all. And an tasumu is acting as the mubtada, and the tusumu is a present tense fi'l, and the an makes it into the light version, because the normal version is tasumuna. So because there's an ending combination wa and noon, to make it light, we drop the noon, so it becomes tasumu. And that's why it's an tasumu, and this acts as the mubtada. So without the an, this is actually a verb sentence, because tasumu is a verb, is a fi'l. But when you put an at the start, then it transforms that verb into an ism. So it acts as the mubtada. And the khayrun is the habar, the lakum is the muta'alliq bil habar. So the an changed the verb sentence into a compound ism. So if we look at anna, this changes a noun sentence into a compound ism. So an example would be حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَهُمْ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ. So this means until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. So أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ, this acts, because the anna, it transforms a noun sentence into a compound ism. The أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ, this acts like an outside doer for the present tense fi'l يَتَبَيَّنَ. And you'll notice that yatabayyana is in the light version because of hatta. Hatta is one of those words that when it comes before a present tense, it makes it light. So yatabayyana is light because it has a fatha at the end. Normally it would be yatabayyanu. So the anna al-haqqu acts like an outside doer for the present tense. So it actually becomes a compound ism. Together, annahu al-haqqu. The whole thing becomes a compound ism. So as per usual, at the end of every chapter, we always advise to review the vocabulary of this chapter at the end of this book. Ideally, at the end of every session, this curriculum is studied so that your Arabic grammar knowledge increases with your vocab knowledge, inshallah.